Okay, hold on. Hello, it's Lila Halo, and today we're gonna be applying this beautiful wig that I got at the beauty supply store. Alright, let's jump right into the video. So I start with 2 braids right here to make it look as flat as possible. Okay, so both sides are done. Now on this part, what I do is I get a bobby pin and I pin them like up like this. So I take it across this and pin it right here as well. So now that everything is nice and flat on my head, what I do is I don't apply a wig cap because I don't know how to do all that extra stuff with, like, you know, making you look bald and doing that is really cool, but I don't know how to do all that. So my hair is dark underneath. That means it's gonna match the wig, so I'm good with that. Now what I do, so the wig has hooks inside, and you're gonna want to put these little hook thingies on your scalp. So make sure that you first adjust it to the size of your head. I have a big head, so I always leave them open because I have a lot of hair, so it takes up a lot of space. But you adjust it to whatever size you are, and it has little like hooks here you can use. Yeah, so we're gonna start off with the back hook, this hook. We're gonna do it and we're gonna put it on the back of our head. That didn't work out. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Then we're gonna do the side hooks. I can find them. Oh, they're right here. Yeah. We're gonna pin that into your scalp, so in case somebody tries to pull your hair, it doesn't fall off that easily because it's pinned to your scalp, to your hair. Okay. That looks so pretty. Wow, I love this wig. I love it because it fits my natural color. Okay.
This is where it gets interesting.
You want to make this part look as natural as possible. And what I do in this part is I brush out the dirty strip. This is dirty. I'm gonna brush it out. Wow, look at it. Look at all this gunk, man. I don't clean it. Okay. I brush out the baby hairs that it already has. I don't know if it had them or I created them. So now with this front piece, you're gonna want to put some hairs back, like behind your ear, so you can take care of the front section. And now I'm gonna apply the glue or the gel. Just got this amount on my finger. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it up here so you can see. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Apply it here. A little bit. Okay. That sticked, surprisingly. Wow. Okay, wait. Never mind. This I don't worry about because nobody's gonna see that, and because I have too much hair right here, it doesn't let me stick it to the side of my scalp. Okay, now that it's all wet and gooey, what you're gonna want to do is blow dry it. It's very beautiful, very natural looking, and it suits my skin just perfectly. I love this wig. Take a look at it. It's not too big, it's not too full of hair, it's not too long. It's just perfect. When I buy a wig, I like for it to look really natural. So that's what I went for.